I'm gonna do a little tip. This goes for just about any kind of motorcycle with forks. I just replaced the oil in these. This is a little Honda XR80. But when people reinstall their forks, they're concerned about the measurement up here. And this, I mean, you need to have a ballpark up here, but most bikes, these are not going to be exact. What you want to do is get one fork clamped around where you want it, because you can come up on these to change the characteristics of the ride. But on this one, we're not too concerned. Just up a little bit, flush, it's good on this. But what you want is you get it where you want it, tighten it down, just snug it. You don't have to have it tight. Then the other side, you leave it loose where you can move it. And what you want to do is manipulate the loose side to where your axle goes in and out. Easy. If it's binding, then this is not going to be flush on the wheel. So just a little tip. You always want to have this free play. You don't want to have it binding at an angle or one out. You want to have it level for sure, and that's one easy way to tell without any special tools. Another tip on these older bikes, well, even modern bikes have this, or not this, but drum brakes. But let's see, the sun will help me. You can see this little groove in here. Along with that, this, I don't know what you want to call it. Mine went blank. But this is what your pad press against. And since this is a sealed assembly, all of the debris that come off the pad, they just kind of re-embed into here. So what I like to do anytime I have a tire off, get some sandpaper and just kind of scrub that out, blow it out with the air compressor. It really helps the brakes out where they can have a new surface to grab to, because usually on these the pads are worn, but in some cases they're not. It's just all the material's kind of re-embedded in here, and it's just a slick surface. But just another little tip. I like to also do it on the pads. This one already done. Compared to how slick that is. It's real shiny and slick. It's pretty much resurfacing them. I use about 100 grit sandpaper. That way you're not really taking a whole lot off. But you can see there's still some meat on there. I mean, they are worn, but we'll tackle that another day.